The iRobot Roomba 105 works hard for clean floors, and it only needs a bit of care in return. Let's clean it step by step so it's running like new again in only a few minutes. Clean the Roomba 105 regularly to ensure it performs well. Wipe the exterior, sensors, and camera lens with a soft, dry cloth to help it navigate accurately. After each mopping session, empty and rinse the dustbin. Wash the reusable mop pad with warm water and let it dry completely before reinstalling it with the robot. Clean the main brush and side brushes. Remove any tangled hair or debris to avoid any blockages to maintain strong suction and smooth movement. Then reinstall the brushes in the robot. Wipe the charging contacts of the base station and clean it thoroughly. Open the station cover from the top, then remove the used dust bag, clean the base station's interior, and place a new dust bag and close the cover. And that's it! Your Roomba 105 is now clean, fresh, and ready to get back to work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below. See you in the next one.